ये देखो ना, ये नॉर्थ है तो नॉर्थ को 000 बोलते हैं, ये ईस्ट है इसको 090 बोलते हैं, इसको साउथ को 180 बोलते हैं और इसको 270 बोलते हैं, है ना? So right now my track is 000. What do you think? What is my heading? Track is this. So what do you think? Rough heading figure. 020 ले ले? Something like that. So my heading is 020. My track is 00. Drift क्या थी? Starboard या port? So you had a starboard drift. Port drift है. Wind is from right. Wind is from right. किस side आप push होगे? You will be pushed toward port. So drift is port. So drift is always from in the direction where you are being pushed, not from the direction where wind is coming from. So right now wind is coming from the right. You will be pushed to the left. So we say port drift. पोर्ट ड्रिफ्ट हुई. ट्रैक क्या है पोर्ट ड्रिफ्ट में? ट्रैक इज 000, हेडिंग इज 020. ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम बैक हियर. दिस इज माय स्टेशन. Again I am tracking. My planned track was the same. I was supposed to track out to this station, and wind is coming from my left now, so it will push me towards right. So drift is starboard. So you are experiencing starboard drift. Now if आप नालायक हो तो आप ऐसे ही चले जाओगे. नहीं ना बता रहा हूं ना पूछ रहा हूं. So you will be pushed by these winds, but if you are smart enough, you will immediately apply a correction by putting your nose into the wind. So you will be flying this way, so that you reach to the station. Now my track was 00, planned track was 000. What is my heading currently? Where my aircraft nose pointing? 20 डिग्री. अरे 20 डिग्री की ड्रिफ्ट है तो उतना ही ले लो ना. तो 340 है ना, -20 डिग्री from 360. So roughly your heading would be 350. That's your heading. What is heading? Direction. हाँ,
हेडिंग तो 340 नहीं होगी अपने.
ठीक है, ओके. 340. So heading is what? Where aircraft nose points. Now in this case, with starboard drift, you have a track of 000, while heading is 340. From this we can conclude, if drift is starboard, heading will be less, track will be more than heading. See देखो track 340, sorry heading 340 है, track कितना है 360 है ना. So in case of starboard drift, your track will always be more than heading. In case of port drift, your track will always be less than heading. So look at the track 000, heading is 020. So your track is less than heading.